Hi guys, this is your naturalist Harris Brooker here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to identify creeping ladies tresses, which is a pine forest orchid. Stay tuned. So this is the plant here. Now what you notice about it is how hairy it is, and it's got these lovely little white flowers on this twisted spike that's about, say, 3 to 7 centimeters long. When you look at the flowers, the tepals, the white things that look like petals but aren't necessarily differentiated properly, they're all about the same length, and then you have the labellum in the middle, which is that triangular bit, and that is typically unlobed without a spur. The stem, I mean, the whole plant is actually quite hairy. I mean, you can see how hairy it is there, but when you travel down, you notice the leaves, and you notice how they're net veined like that. There's another one there that is also net veined. There you go, you can just about see that, but this is the better one to look at. So this is a fairly common orchid in these pine forests. It's especially quite locally common in the northeast of Scotland and in the Highlands. And it's rhizomatous too, so it spreads through underground rhizomes. And yeah, I mean, it's quite an attractive plant. Please never pick wild orchids, because some of them are quite rare and they don't want to be picked, so yeah, don't do that. It's generally one that you'll bump into fairly readily in the Highlands. And that's it. This is creeping ladies tresses. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the like button. And if you have any more species requests or country requests you'd like me to do, then please detail them in the comments below. But until then, have a good one.